Okay, so my symptoms before coming to the treatment center, I was in a brain fog. That was my worst symptom. Kind of felt like I was dreaming all the time. I couldn't really follow conversations. I was really easily confused, couldn't remember anything. Dizziness, lightheadedness, GI issues, a lot of bloating. I think that was it, and that's enough. I have a 2-year-old daughter, so POTS kind of took over my life, and I couldn't really do anything with her, couldn't take her to the park, couldn't move around, so it was pretty debilitating, and I had to rely on a lot of people, which is hard when you've got someone else relying on you. After the first day here, I heard about it through my mom was looking on Google and saw it, so we decided we'd give it a try. After the first day here, I noticed I was a little bit more relaxed. Usually when we drive around in the car, when my husband drives, I'll kind of like tell him what to do and be like, look out for this car, look out for this, look out for this. And the first day after we left, I was perfectly calm when we were driving. I wasn't worried about what any of the other cars were doing. After that, I think by the 4th day, I looked back at the past few days and I realized how big of a difference everything was. I woke up every morning since high school with a stomach ache, and I couldn't eat breakfast. I couldn't eat anything until about 11 o'clock. And I ate breakfast the 4th day of treatment, and my stomach didn't hurt, and it was amazing. After that, I believe on Monday, so a week after starting treatment, my brain fog, which was again my worst symptom, was completely gone. I walked outside and everything was clear. It was beautiful. It was like nothing I'd ever seen for that past year that I had POTS. It was amazing and one of the best feelings that I've had in a long time. Let's see what else here. The doctors here, what sets them apart, I actually couldn't get a diagnosis that I had POTS, which I think is borderline or dysautonomia. Like, they just said it was anxiety. The doctors here, they took the time to listen to my symptoms and reaffirm with what I already knew in my head, that it wasn't just anxiety. It wasn't, I wasn't depressed, I didn't have anxiety, this was an actual thing. So they listened and they validated, I guess, all of my symptoms and explained to me why I was having this and why I was having that. So if you've heard about this program, and if it gives you even a glimmer of hope, like it did for me, if you think that this could be for you, come. Do whatever you can to get here. It's worth the money if you know it's going to help you. It's worth it, and I am so glad that I came.